Welcome to qnawire.
Hi everyone, as shown in the figure, with the rod of length L, a particle of mass m is attached and the assembly is rotating with angular velocity omega is equal to d theta by dt about the point O. We have to find the tension T as a function of theta. Let us hear the free body diagram. Its weight mg, this will be theta. Your weight mg will act in this direction, it will be mg sine of theta. And this is the tension, so minus T minus mg sine theta will be m into tangential acceleration minus radial acceleration. So T is equal to m L omega square minus g sine theta. That's all. Thanks for watching it.